What's up, guys? Brendan from Crypto Cauldron. I'm on 90 minutes sleep. I closed out my trade before I took a nap, posted it in the futures. I hope you guys are enjoying the phase one here of the crash. Before I get into this, guys, check out our video description. Think about joining our Discord. $19.99 a month. It's cheap. We don't make a living off of our Discord. The paywall is there to keep out the Wen Lambo, Wen Moon boys, okay? That's the only reason it's there. We have a great staff. We have great people here. We have people that know a lot of different things, that taught me a lot of things about tokenomics, crypto gems. There's all types of great categories and rooms there. We have community chat. You can talk about your family, cooking, food. You can talk only in the crypto if you want. You can talk in the TA chat. A lot of options, about 180 people there now. It's growing fast, and I'm really appreciative of everybody that is there. Let's get into this. Again, on 90 minutes sleep, I didn't have a chance to brush my hair, so excuse my disheveled appearance. But you guys can try to stomach it for a little bit so we can get through Bitcoin. Everybody wants to know the same things. What do they want to know? Why aren't we dropping? What are we dropping to? And when are we dropping? Right? Does that sound about right? Okay. So I'm still on the laptop, guys, because I'm still house sitting for my friend. So bear with me. What did we accomplish in this drop? Well, we got through key support level of the cloud. We got through the key support level of the pennant, right? Look at this. Look at this pennant right here. Look at the wick hitting the pennant. I mean, it's really amazing, because I drew this back in the first week of June or last week of May, and when you see that, the shadow, as they call it in Japanese trading, when you see the shadow like that hitting the line, it's pretty cool if you like TA. We got through Ichi, we got through the pennant, and now we're just kind of sideways. Why are we sideways? Well, we're on the 4-hour chart. The Shande oscillator, momentum oscillator, got floored out. It's really accurate. It's pointing back up now because you have this little uptrend, which is totally normal, guys. It's retracing. Your momentum indicator, moving average convergence divergence, is the MACD, right? We fell from here, almost a flat angle. Like, we didn't have this nice sweeping momentum, which would have been nice if we did, if you wanted a deeper dip. Initial push, we got about 2,700 points. So it was still a nice dip considering where we fell from. You could see the volume here lightening up, meaning lighter selling is going on. The MACD is going to move in waves, guys. Whether you're in a bullish or a bearish market, it's going to go in waves. So right now, it's kind of gassed out. So you need it to come back up, get some momentum, and then come back down. Hence, you have the price kind of hooking up. This is normal. It's called retracement. As the EMAs descend, they'll try to keep the price in check, and that's the battle of falling and then rising. You have the EMAs, apply pressure. If you fall too fast, then you get this. When you fall down, you climb up, and then nobody knows if it's a bottom or not, right? So we're trying to avoid that. It'd be nice to have an organic dip where we actually just fall with the EMAs. We don't know if that's in the cards. We don't know where buyers will step in. We don't know where a whale's going to step in and say, oh, that's enough. Personally, I would be very disappointed if we don't get at least to 26K Bitcoin, and for a variety of reasons. The primary reason is, if we really want a second bull run, a legitimate shot at a second bull run, we have to defeat the 200. Go watch my RIP BTC video, watch my funeral prep video for BTC. You guys will see it. I beat the 200 to death. I'm not going to go into it here. But essentially, if we fall more, right? Let's just say we fall to 30K, because that's where my chart ends here. We fall to 30K, we come back up, right? We hit the 200. I drew the 200 out here so you could see it, right? We hit the 200 here. Let me change this. Or we hit the 200 here, because I already have the circle, right? So we hit the 200 here. We fall back down. We make a lower low again. This is if we don't defeat the 200. 200 is our market top, guys. It's in my videos. You can see it. You'll see why it's the market top. I don't want to explain everything in the same videos over and over again. Let's say we go down to 28 this time, right? Okay, now we're going to try for 100K Bitcoin, because we're not getting 200K now. So we're 100K Bitcoin. Boom, hit this again. Hit the 200, right? Fall down again. This is the market top. This goes back to April 17th. I think we're 0-10 or 0-12 against it. You can watch those videos and see it. I go through it. But if you look at this zoomed out image here, look what you're doing along the 200. All you're doing is making lower lows. You're in a bear market, in a contracting market. So yeah, you still have mobility in the range. You're still rising and falling, but you're constantly contracting. It's a bear market. You could buy coins at the bottom, sell them at the top. You can take out longs at the bottom, sell them at the top. You can take out shorts at the top, sell them at the bottom. But the market's contracting. And what I want is a second bull run because I want to build wealth. Made a lot of money doing shorts. I came to crypto late, last week of April, first week of May, basically when everything started going south. So made a lot of money doing shorts, but I would like to buy coins, premium projects, and watch them rise in price. That's why I'm here. So I want this to go up. I'm just giving you the data as it exists, okay? So this is what we don't want. We don't want this because that's the market top. What we want is an organic crash to a number that the market gets excited about. Maybe it's 25K. And then you want to come back up, right? You want to come back up. You want to hit the 200. You want to defeat it, get above it. You have to defeat the 200. Do not worry about the 41K that everybody keeps talking about in their YouTube thumbnails. This number is not important. The only reason that number is important, I mean, yes, it's a swing high, but it's because the 200 knifed through it and knocked you down 11,500 points. See, most of the people that are doing the TA aren't using the 200 as a line. They don't even know about this trend with the 200, okay? So keep that in mind when you're looking at this TA. Watch the market today. It's going to be stagnant until we get some momentum or a catalyst in the market, whether it's sellers stepping in to push the price down or buyers stepping in. And that's the battle that will continue, is the price rising, battling the EMAs. And at some point, there's a victor. Price goes up, price goes down. That's the name of the game, guys. Like I said, my target is still 20 to 25K Bitcoin. I don't know if we'll get there. I want us to at least get to 26K. I would love to have anything below that because I want people in retail to sit there and say, wow, I can get 40 cent XRP. Wow, I can get 60 cent Matic. There's going to be enough FOMO, in my opinion, to really get an organic growth, a chance at organic growth. And we're not going to have that if we just crash to 28 again, okay? Because I think we're just going to get rejected again on a lower high by the 200. So we need to build up velocity by falling further, rising faster, rising steady, rising organically. And that's just an opinion, but we'll see how it plays out. Thanks, guys, for suffering through this video. Appreciate you all being here. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it out with some friends. Love to have some more viewers. And consider joining our room, guys. And I'll put another update out there if there's any movement today, and I'll definitely do one tonight. All right, guys. Have a good day.